Okay, so you're not gonna get a unboxing in a traditional sense. Instead, you're gonna get a repacking. I'm repacking and returning these headphones because the headphone jack and a USB port for the LED lighting, which I don't like LED light anyway. I was never gonna use it. They're in the same spot. If they're in the same spot, that simply means that you have the controller, aka your joystick, and the extra cabling right in front of your hands while you're trying to play the game. It's kind of annoying. Plus the extra long length. I did notice that the cable is like really long. It's because they don't expect you to have the controller in your hand and be extremely close to the console or the Xbox or the PC box, whatever you got. It's weird. I don't like it. So now I got to go back, get another set of headphones, hopefully cheap, and hopefully these headphones will not have an LED light. I didn't think about that. I didn't think about if you got LED lighting, would it actually, screw you over? And it does, because it's just so much extra cable and junk. I don't want the junk. I just want a cable. And the audio. I want the audio too. Okay, back to the drawing board. Okay, guys and gal. But I know very few watch. Doesn't really matter. Sounds really good, right? Okay, get this here. I had an issue. That issue is I bought that. Now, that would be these headphones, which fit in this box right here. This Unikuma headphones. Now, at first glance, these headphones were a very good idea. And they said, oh yeah, you can play the Xbox with us, you can play the PlayStation with us, you can play it on PC or Mac. Doesn't really matter what you want to do. You can use our stuff for everything. That is a lie. Now, although you can use it for everything, I want to... Wait. Did you see what I just plugged in here? This is for your PC users here. If you're a console player, like myself, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever, you only want this. 1, 2, 3 lines. Those 3 lines is left and right speaker and mic. That's the only thing you really need. Those 3 things going. This USB piece right here, that's useless. The reason this is useless is because if you have your Xbox controller, let me just emulate this real quick here. If you got your headphones on and you're playing the game, you got all of this in your way. Not to say that everyone's setup is like mine. It's probably not. But the way I would be playing would be very close to this. Let's pop this in here real quick. So I've got all of this coming directly... Wow, that's short. Coming directly off of me trying to play the game. Oh, but Carlton, what if you took off this piece right here? Okay, I'll take that piece off. Just stick this right back in the hole. There you go. I still got this dangling. This is in the way. This is the reason why you can't use these. It's probably one of the worst purchases I've ever made on Amazon. Not their fault. I should have looked at the design a little bit more closely. So, I'm returning these here. And they were happy enough to do the refund because I did it on Prime. Yada. These are barely used headphones that are going back to those guys immediately. So I'm just going to wrap this up here. And this is called the reboxing. Yep. It's going to be the reboxing because this was a very bad idea. Bad Carlton. Okay, so that's over. End of this video. I will place this down. And the reason I'm placing it down is because got something else here. The replacement. But it's going to be on the next video. Check it out.